Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and simple topic: how to change the wallpaper in your WhatsApp chats. This updated guide will not only help you personalize your chats, but also make your conversations more visually appealing. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. You should see all your chats right on the main screen. Once you've done that, scroll through your chats and tap on the group or individual chat where you want to change the wallpaper. Now, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a tap. This will open a menu with various options for chat settings. Next, find and select Wallpaper from this menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for your current wallpaper and the ability to select a new one. After selecting Wallpaper, tap on Change. Now, it's time to get creative. You can choose a photo from your gallery, or use one of the default wallpapers provided by WhatsApp. Once you've picked the perfect picture, simply tap on Set as Wallpaper, and voila! You'll now have a fresh new look for your chat. Changing the wallpaper in your WhatsApp chats is a great way to add a personal touch or to suit your mood. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp chat wallpaper. Don't forget to customize your chats and make them uniquely yours.